Tired of struggling with bulky, ineffective ratchets that leave you frustrated? You deserve better than tools that can't handle the job. In this video, we'll dive into the best cordless ratchets of the year, helping you find the perfect tool for your needs. MAKITA XRW01 SR1. For those seeking versatility and power in a cordless ratchet, the MAKITA 18VLXT lithium-ion cordless ratchet kit earns its place as a standout tool for this year. This kit impresses with its flexibility, ergonomic design, and reliable performance, all backed by MAKITA's trusted reputation. The MAKITA Ratchet is a breeze to set up and use. With interchangeable 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch drive anvils, it easily adapts to a wide range of fastening tasks. Powered by the brand's 18-volt lithium-ion battery system, it delivers consistent torque of 35 foot-pounds and a variable speed of 0 to 800 revolutions per minute, ensuring both precision and efficiency. Its electric brake enhances productivity, allowing users to move between tasks without delay. Despite its robust performance, the tool remains compact and user-friendly. At 2.7 pounds, it's lightweight and features a low-profile head, perfect for accessing tight spaces. The ergonomic rubber grip adds comfort during extended use, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in dark work areas. However, there are minor drawbacks. The directional switch could use refinement, as its small lever risks snagging on wires or hoses. Yet this is a minor inconvenience compared to the tool's overall value. With its dual-drive versatility, impressive speed, and thoughtful design, the MAKITA 18-volt LXT cordless ratchet kit strikes a balance between performance and practicality. Whether for professional use or advanced DIY projects, it's a reliable choice for those who prioritize quality and efficiency in their tools. MILWAUKEE 245721. Let's explore the MILWAUKEE M12 cordless 3/8 inch ratchet kit, a reliable mid-range contender in the cordless ratchet category. Renowned for its compact design and ease of use, this tool stands out with its user-friendly features and impressive durability. While it doesn't match the speed of some higher-end models, its balanced performance makes it a compelling choice for professionals and DIYers alike. This ratchet is powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering 35 foot-pounds of torque and a variable speed of up to 250 revolutions per minute. This makes it suitable for various fastening applications, especially in tight spaces. Its slim, lightweight build, 1.9 pounds, coupled with a cushioned grip, ensures comfort during extended use, minimizing hand fatigue. One of its standout features is the built-in LED light, which provides excellent visibility in dimly lit areas, an often overlooked but essential addition. The onboard battery gauge is another thoughtful touch, allowing users to monitor battery life and plan recharges effectively. Included in the kit are a rapid charger, carrying bag, and the cordless ratchet itself, offering convenience for storage and portability. The reinforced metal housing and trigger enhance its durability, while the compact head design allows easy maneuverability in cramped areas. Though the lower speed of 250 RPM may leave some wanting more, the overall performance and affordability make it a great value. Third, S-Long Ratchet Wrench. For those seeking a high-performing, budget-friendly solution, the S-Long cordless electric ratchet wrench set stands as a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This 12-volt cordless ratchet strikes an impressive balance between power, control, and value, earning its spot as a go-to tool for tackling automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and more. The standout feature of the S-Long ratchet is its 400 RPM speed and 33.3 foot-pounds of torque, ensuring that even tough tasks are handled efficiently. The variable speed trigger allows users to fine-tune power, while the forward and reverse switch adds versatility for different projects. Additionally, the built-in LED light ensures you won't miss a beat when working in low-light conditions, enhancing visibility in tight spaces. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, this tool is easy to maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. While its longer head profile may not suit all workspaces, the slim design allows access to difficult areas, ensuring minimal strain on the user. The battery life is impressive, with two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries that recharge in just 60 minutes, allowing for continuous use. The kit comes complete with 12 sockets, an adapter, a manual ratchet, and a carrying case, making it an all-inclusive set for various tasks. At $74.99, the S-Long Ratchet delivers a strong performance-to-price ratio, offering excellent value for those in need of a dependable, versatile tool. If you're in the market for an efficient, feature-packed cordless ratchet, the S-Long is a solid choice. KIMO Ratchet Wrench. For those seeking a well-rounded, efficient tool, the KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set makes a strong case as one of the best in its category. Its 12-volt motor delivers a solid 40 foot-pounds of torque at a top speed of 400 RPM, providing an impressive balance of power and speed for tackling various tasks, whether in the garage or during home maintenance. What sets this ratchet apart is its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to maneuver and ideal for tight spaces. The ultra-slim head ensures you can access hard-to-reach bolts, an essential feature for any auto or mechanical work. It's also equipped with a variable speed trigger, offering excellent control for different applications. Another notable feature is its dual battery setup. The included two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries ensure extended usage, while the 60-minute fast charger keeps you working without too much downtime. In addition, the set includes 7 sockets, a 1/4-inch adapter, and a handy carrying case to keep everything organized and ready for the next job. While the LED light is a bit off-center in terms of alignment, it's still a useful addition for illuminating dark workspaces. Given its performance and convenience, the KIMO Cordless Ratchet delivers reliable value for those looking for power and portability at an accessible price of around $75. For anyone needing a compact, high-performance ratchet, the KIMO set is a solid choice. RYOBI 1 Plus Ratchet Wrench. The RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt brushless extended reach ratchet kit makes an immediate impression with its innovative design, offering a blend of power and flexibility. Engineered to tackle tight spots, this cordless ratchet features an extended neck and a 360-degree rotating head with 4 positions, making it an indispensable tool for reaching challenging bolts and fasteners. The tool's sleek and extended design allows for ease of use in spaces where traditional ratchets would struggle. With a solid 55 foot-pounds of torque and a 230 revolutions per minute speed, the RYOBI ratchet delivers ample power for most tasks, from automotive repairs to home improvement projects. The tool is built for durability and convenience, with an ergonomic design and dual LED work lights that enhance visibility during operation. The brushless motor ensures longer tool life and efficient power use, further cementing this tool as a reliable workhorse. One standout feature is its compatibility with the RYOBI 1 Plus battery system, allowing users to seamlessly integrate the ratchet into their existing RYOBI tool collection. The kit includes a 2 amp-hour battery and charger, but it is compatible with all RYOBI 1 Plus batteries. While the extended design and 55 foot-pounds of torque may feel slightly underpowered compared to other ratchets in its class, it excels in scenarios where reach is paramount. The RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt brushless extended reach ratchet kit delivers impressive performance, flexibility, and value, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Choosing the right cordless ratchet can make all the difference in your projects, saving you time and effort.